Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. It's very early in the morning, it's about 7:30 on a Monday morning, and I have got the Trackman 8 out here at the skate park to do another video for you. Give it a bash around, see what you think. Hopefully we won't have the problem the same as last time I was out here. I have got a roll of gaffer tape with me this time just in case. I hope everybody's well. Please do the usual things, like, comment, subscribe, stick me something down in the comment section, and we'll see how we go. I've not got any water in the back of this, so we won't have any of the flame effect today. Just going to give it a run and a bash here at the skate park. Looks like it's got a bit of a residual fluid coming out the back. So that's quite cool, so we've got a bit of that. I don't think that'll last very long. Just bringing it to the park now. I like the fact that this has got fender mud guards, which is quite cool. I like the smoke effect at the back, as I say. I hadn't really planned to run the smoke effect today. And the fair's in town, so I have to be a bit extra early out here. Right, I'll send it on a long run down. He really doesn't like the bumpy surface. Usual early morning drive in from Sharky. Charged the battery up yesterday, so we shouldn't have any battery problems. Although I'm having to peg it, so I don't know. Having to let's see how we do on this. I don't think it's got the poke. That was cool. Hopefully we got that on camera. It has got grippy tyres on. Oh, but it looks to be taking a fairly good beating all in. let's go back up on here again. Nearly off the edge that side. Whoop. Definitely so yeah, you can take a bashing. See what it does on the stairs. Oop. That's pretty good. Nearly got to the top there. Need a bit bigger run up. I think we're getting a bit of binding on the just top the side there. Oh, hit my foot. Nice little jump. Let's come up here myself and see what we can. Thing is with these things, because they've got sound and all sorts, so it's taking it pretty well. So traction, different rear wheels maybe to give it a bit of grip, a bit more ground clearance at the rear. This has got the 5mm hexes on that we've seen from WPL and others. Oh, that was a better jump, hopefully you caught that. But it's losing it on those bits. We're looking at a little bit one wheel peel there, so it may not even have a locked rear diff. Just going to have a look at that. How are those turning? Oh, that's probably why. It's actually got independent rear thing, so it's got a diff in it, which is, didn't know that. So it could be that the diff needs some decent grease in it to lock it up, which will give it a bit more. And then that will help with things like that, where one wheel Right folks, I'm going to call that it for the day. Thanks very much for watching. Had fun taking it home all in one piece. Great little car. I'll see about the rear end and see whether we can put some thicker grease in the diff and lock that back end up a bit more. Hope you enjoyed this. Catch you all in the next video.